Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install Python 3. 8 or newer, create a virtualenv, and pip install core libs like speech recognition and TTS. Connect and calibrate a USB microphone and speaker, then run a short recording to confirm levels and latency. Once done, provision API keys for the voice and NLU services you plan to use, and store them in environment variables so your app can access them securely. Now you implement the core architecture and integrate components. Build a wake word listener that triggers a short audio capture, pass that to ASR, and convert text to structured intents with an NLU tool. Create a dialogue manager that maintains context and routes intents to handlers or external APIs. Make sure to add an event loop with non-blocking I/O, handle retries and fallbacks, and cache frequent responses to reduce latency and cost, while keeping state minimal and predictable. Finish by polishing voice, deploying, and preparing for failures. Tune TTS prosody with SSML or parameters to make responses natural, then containerize the app and deploy with auto-restart and basic observability. Set health checks, logging, and a simple GUI for testing. If things go wrong, first verify audio sampling rate and microphone permissions, then check network timeouts and API key errors. Make sure to run end-to-end tests and adjust timeouts and retries to stabilize production behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.